All right, Ebusia. Yamisha Bibia. So, former MMDC for any letter, Abre, Honorable Toshi. Yes, see, Ebusia, Mumamin kind letter Munsem a be mamu. Yes, see, NaaTorshie. Today, NDC, ma DC for. They say, ma DC for 5 to 6 million quarterly. But you couldn't even release 500K for them a year. But NDC now about Bemusisian or ma MDC DC for 5 million to 6 million. But who want to be release can who discount and the acquire will Tony will look for a child who done scanners hard now the year. I was here and ya don't go the grassroots obviously no that shanty youth and they say the grassroots are angry with us and the party because of your greedy and selfish way you handle the district common fund. Let's see how you come to us to campaign. I shan't read it. They said you made the party and the government of the NPP very unpopular and unattractive because your greediness. We are even shocked you have the audacity to go around talking about former MMDC. Former MMDC for say NaaTorshie baby out jinano ye din na wo sem no yada enti obviously onye din no hye ne corner na ni sem no edoso papa ni ama wa ye atie na do dan kwa kufa do aban enya sem ketwa but because ene onobu Kennedy Japan na wo yi ya wo penkra no ene o si se oba o pese o fan krani enye ni running mate ntin wa dwane akose ho because who running mate you know ambition and that we need to papa ntina time na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so winning ye no why ye bibia aye hu poster nyina say ye mfa se ne be ya wo be ye running mate nti sa asem na wo kika wo na mo kika no the Ashanti youths no omo say omo twen nti bra na ye twen abusia efia swas nega so adi ni nsem aba yenko tie bra na ye ba esam wo ho hey be say week way e be the fucking
NaaTorshie wow oh yeah mate se wo kuma se mate se yese wo osi wo bibia okoka afa Bawumia ene Samira ho ehunya oba wo kokuma ase dia kai ne koka kire omo se de wusi tan asantefo wudu kuma ase a bo mama ne de enti a wedwa Bawumia sa dan a wo so vice president edi a yakofa asanteni NaaTorshie I don't think so wo bibia wo be kwa kire delegates apart from say common fund na yede ma won district assembly common fund yede ma no de koye oto ene won fu mame wo de ko hihye wo ho de wo hihye wo adam de gu tru mu ne won fu mu eno na wo bibia na koka wo bibia NaaTorshie ena koka na sa anko sa everybody na anko pon wo ba wo be sorry me catch now what time asantefo no ena du achiremu chiremu de enti ane Bawumia ate ado amoma so enti say be how
temple because minim niam a oye ewo grounds minim niam a brands ewo grounds enti we should never underestimate anybody. I can make my car like me chance say last election na you call voter region and Kennedy winning here. We lose ground ho grounds we lose bebree grounds we lose bebree nti nipa ye doctor any ono competition voter agencies ya blind a champion me catch them nipa doctor compete with right now in the voter region haro blind a champion enye Kennedy Japan. Inti, don't underestimate anybody. Be yet to see. We should never see. Yeah, well, how many days? I said 71 days more. 71 days more. And now more plans and now more decision and also more the baby go audios, AI, the AI and yama be bred to her into from now. And I say run next month, man. You may see we should be prepared. Was say young Cassano so you're prepared. We should never underestimate anybody. Any day they can. Say underestimation, so we don't mean yes, we don't mean yes. Sad oh now we the about we be fan of phone. Sad semano. And the work now was say ye boom you fool say when you go to grounds, the grounds is okay until baby. We need to work more because ye percent gap na ye percent ye fa more. Emma say be a better sound. We want to give them gap. Ye mag gap na. Say 90% and 90%, say 95 and 95. Na the can no check. So that after the election will be a better deal. But yes, I say, ye be san jaya huna, or benya kakrana, or san ni way, baby. So, Miss Re, or be beer, na, or soft for, malang for, traditionalists, or be also be our supporting Dr. Mahmoud Bamiamo. Miss Remo say, moon bomb pie man doctor. Na niamana hebe back from now onwards no anu be den nti who supporting Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia bibia usumbia sumbia usumbia no ye besre say juju kra wo ko uza juju no ho manensa ye nim say doctor na fast ka bia ma say fa yes aba bompa imano ye bi manu bompa ye bi manu usori no pa bompa ye bi manu na niamana e ba spiritually no no bad any physical. And it's a Muslim so be to me, yes, who sorry and about to me bomb prime doctor and anything now. Baby, Abukubiano, they can go there safely, no, a bushia, a baby, papa. Now, we can't trust anybody at this time. Trust and it be new hope. I just say, you raise 31st, by 11 o'clock there, I declare Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is leading everybody with margin of 69. Echo, margin, no, your mouth be a gap. Just then we know say we are safer, but Siena Yaka near mana Echo so I started say attacking Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Kofono mu supporting them. See, more is going to come because Honorable Kennedy Japan right now on himself in the grounds and yet. Ni grounds enye na ni grounds enye until omo hear everything possible to intimidate us and until omo start to say omo bubu they want to fight with us because we go northern region we are spending a lot of days in northern region obi antaki onipa bia obo say wo hono to phone ya de nyina obi anye hwe nti ye dan asese a yaba wo region who start to say uni ye for what reason and until me de bia me catch them say honorable Kennedy Japan onu o catch them did say onye onko asori onye Christian na nka we Christo ni anka obet nasi ahwe say ye bebu osofu onu na ye omane ye bu no osofu pon Reverend, not just any pastor, Reverend. Woman, Usman Kufu, Yakwata Actually, I said this man is going to stand against Christianity nti Christopher na mu krom ha na ya di sa adwen fini shema masom se na mu nkoto abama Christoni na Kennedy Japan onye Christoni otom o se mu Christopher no mu te se ne kraman na o ne fie o kan o si mu Christopher de bo amusun nyame no mu te se kraman ni kraman na ahye ne fie nti obi a wo ye Christoni wo sori koto abama ona bo Kennedy Japan ndie we ni kraman na o kan anya me na make this is his own words nti ye besere Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ono nkwa na betu aboa aye say ye power 2028 say 2028 abana ye kwa koto no say power na ye pem kwa na name is doctor say nya doctor nya obia enya doctor enya obia and now one thing they should know, those people, the people who are contesting, one thing they should put inside their head, at the back of their head, they say, is either they start normal fast as to baby, normal supporting Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia now. Send a beya Dr. Betumia condemn. Send a beya them too can have the chance to come. But since they want to compete Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia dia, ye catch on say until Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia become president from the NPP party. Obia so MBD inti omufa to imagine because the way ye ma Kufuor occur 2 times ye ma Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo 3 times. The same way I be ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in life no dey bia mo ka kire ye say we should never give up. Mo ka kire ye say when you fall you need to rise up. Everybody deserves a second chance and I am moka. That is what you people keep on telling us. Inti then doctor dear or call the first time I will lose no musi and the on cow. Are we serious? Because this is what you people keep on telling us. You go school na sa somewhere na ya mu ka kire musi. The downfall of a man is not the end of his life. Now everybody deserves a second chance in life. And he said everybody deserves a second chance in life, and we have given that second chance to Kufuor over 2 times, and we even give Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo 3 times over. So what then what has changed? And then assistance when I go to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so there, then assistant. Why don't we do the same thing for him? Why don't you people mukofuna mu contesting mu adentina mu fasa mu winning na and to be a supporting doctor? Send a beya or betuma contem you have the chance to come. Mumbe will have this chance to come. But if you don't give this man your support, mu must have papa when support no send a beya or beba because say if he's going to take 10 times to come, we are still going to make sure he will come that 10 times. Baby, yeah, I did so no can say only of he party. But as far as all your party me, 2012 muna and then musumuye bema wo krum ha. And then musi muna muye bema e wo party we muna mo aba che muna mo party we mo ache. 2012 ye pe bema obegine mu ama party no adifendi party no ye ntumi nyamo ye hwehwe mu no mu nyina mu ada no mu nyina mu yam business ono we join the business ni ade obetuma ya boa ne hu ne busuafo no we join nyina late night nyina edidie mu kra na enye. He was fasting at that time too, but this man one chance anyamanu with the fasting na kra obegine mu maye 2012 no. If there's nothing crap papa we are nyama ye kra for us to say oh thank you for defending party no sa time no kra na onye obi a wa ba party no ache otia sa time kra na onye obi a wa ba party no ache nti say enye hikra na e wo say ye fa we na emfa dan ase Your father na say, oh dog, why you bear my ye? You defended the party. Party no ain't here. You believe in the party. And until now to me kuma party no be said ne. And we the party members, you know, we the grassroots, you know, we are fully behind you. What you say? Until yes, delegate for. Mun kachira mu yokun. Mun kachira obi ase doctor na eko. Menim say obi baba abe mouse ka. Na kai hu se scan obedi achi, obedi ene we chi na pe. Na scan udi so en fashion. En fa hu udi scan hu wo akoto ababa ni pano wa ntu ama no hwe ense hwe. Menim say obi aba mu ho obema muska. Yes, because obi free a long journey no ba ho no into obi aba bi. What I say? Ba fan to what you say bia. Ya mami boy nebe mami bebre nti no. No ti de bi abusua yesre Dr. Mamudu Bawumia. Yemfa ahenche no emfa man. Yemfa man wa ye bia maye. As a party, dream party no, dream party ni kabon, dream party no ho ansa na ube sori akoto aba. Me see party no, my party no, and here see candidate na who supporting no. Until na share say nipa we no one pro na ube to me every party na kwa ma ye 2028 and you be to me abatro na ba. What you say? Until you best say Dr. Mamudu Bawumia me kan me say ka biom say ya time na ye pe bema ewo party no and na say ye pe nkofo na omusi they omu start party no and am omu no ma ba che no sa time no ye hwehwe omu no ye nya omu sa time na ye hwehwe omu no na omu nyina omu ate ada sa time na ye hwehwe omu no na omu nyina omu adaw ba ene obia was sacrificing of him at time or ye fasting. Can be gene mu ma ye krano ene musi sani pano ya ho enti mi bisa hu se wu na wu ye delegate no wa be join part with 2020 yeah
Mode ejuma and na de ekoso no sometimes no me ahometi pa say you see Bawumia or your who no now and you who na edit party ana and you go for na edit party me guy 2012 or something yeta me call Supreme Court anambua ye pe obi wo party no pe jan deka no in fact manu simuna so wana na oyi nenim so pe jan deka im na in Ethiopia sometimes if you almost say some chances so anuka say ediye ko how mo ediye ko but only one thing the emi yam bebre say adia Dr. Mamudu Bawumia ngofo wabo mo nyina no modam mo chi dia ma no na se meda me bon pa ya ma no pa no se meda na me dwuma eye me cry ya say aw nti uye papa na ya na uye bonia na ye bra dewra oboy me nia so papa nyame shao pa na me no chado estate mo nkofu pibre ba mi che omo yamwa so that me nya kakra me di bois se oji me nya ni na mo ba ji we no so ko pe big so efe pat so papa nkofu temo ye wa ben wa bu omo nyina na ene omo yo nkofu abu omo wa yo mo se omo nim papa yi na se me tunu sa me se aw nti uye papa na ye ana uye boni na ye brother